Yeah, now I can see you.
Finally, we are connected.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, God, because I am very excited to connect with you. So finally, I have connected today.
I have connected today. That's great.
Yeah, yeah, I
That's
have
great. I'm
connected today with you.
fantastic.
Yes, yes.
Fantastic. From where are you calling to me?
I am from UP, District
I,
Siddharth
s-
Nagar.
I see. Siddharth Nagar. Where? Where is Siddharth Nagar? Where?
So, are you familiar about Ayodhya, Gorakhpur, Lucknow?
Yes, I am. I am. I am. I have heard a lot on television. Gorakhpur, especially
Yes.
the birthplace of Mr. Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi. Am I right?
Yeah, yes, sir. You are right. So,
Yeah,
yeah, my district is nearby Gorakhpur.
really.
Yes.
Have you seen Mr. Yogi? Have you seen him personally?
No, no, I haven't.
Oh, wow, that's great. That's fantastic. So, I think we are talking first time, and I would like to know about little bit if you are comfortable giving your introduction to me, Madam Kusum.
Yes, yes, yes. Of course, why not? It is
Mm,
my pleasure.
mm-hmm,
So, as you know, my name is Kusum Gupta. I am from UP, District
mm,
Siddharth Nagar, and I got one kid by God. And if I talk about my hobby, so my hobby is
mm,
listening music, play badminton, reading book, speaking English. Yeah, it was my childhood dream to speaking English. But
mm.
study time I couldn't able to. But after getting married, I started my speaking journey. So yeah, nowadays I am feeling very delighted because
Mm.
my dream is going on. Yes,
Wow,
sir.
excellent.
This
You
is
you told
about
me
me.
you got a kit. What kit you got?
I have a son.
Okay, mashallah. You have a kid. Okay, you have a son. I thought, okay,
Yeah.
that's great. That's great. And what's your qualification, madam?
Okay, my qualification, I'm a graduate of Falt side.
Fart side. What is fart side?
BA, Bachelor of Art.
Okay, okay. Arts graduated. That's great. Well, what do you do? Are you a housewife or you do something? You work?
No, sir, I am not doing any kind of work. I am a homemaker,
Oh, mashallah,
totally
I see.
homemaker. Yeah.
Homemaker, and you have one son. And what about your husband, madam? What does he
My
do?
husband is an engineer and he is
Engineer.
doing job from Goa.
He's doing job.
Goa, from Goa.
What do you mean from Goa? So he is in Goa right now, and you are in Uttar Pradesh.
Yeah, yesterday my husband went to Goa.
Okay. Yesterday he went to Goa.
Yes, yesterday he went to Goa.
So he got the job. He got job recently.
No, no.
Uh,
He has been doing job very long time, but
okay.
yeah, he got leave for
Okay.
1 month. So
Okay.
he came to house
Mm-hmm.
for 1 month. After completed one month,
Mm-hmm.
he went.
He went. Yesterday he went back to his workplace.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay, I see. What engineer he is? I would like to know. Mechanical engineer, civil engineer, chemical engineer,
he's a electricity engineer.
electrical engineer. He's electrical engineer.
Yeah,
Absolutely, absolutely. Do you enjoy my videos, madam? Do you find my
yeah.
video helpful?
I I watch your video. I watch your video each and every video I watch.
I
Whenever
see.
I get the time, I watch your conversational video.
I see. Do you enjoy? Do you enjoy my videos?
I enjoy a lot, and I got a new thing.
Okay, every time whenever you watch my video, you learn something new. You're
Yeah,
trying to say. Okay,
yes, yes, sir.
absolutely, absolutely. But what's your purpose of learning English? Why?
Sir, because sir, I like English. I love
Mm,
English, and I mentioned that I have kids, so I want to bright future my kids. And sir, second thing is I want to create my YouTube channel, but now I haven't yet. I don't have idea how to create a YouTube channel.
okay.
So sir, please tell me little bit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, how is journey about YouTube?
Like what? Ask me, I'll give you the answer. Ask me question, I'll give you answer. Yeah, come on, ask the question. I'll give you answer. Ask
Yes, sir.
questions.
Sir, I am asking that
Mm.
uh, how to how to create YouTube channel.
Well, it's a long. What should I say? It's a technical thing. I cannot say over here. We need to check out YouTube. There are some certain criteria we need to fulfill. Then it is. I think it's very easy to create a YouTube channel. You need to watch tutorial video available on a YouTube. If you will search on a YouTube how to create a YouTube channel, you will get each and every information regarding how to create a channel. I cannot tell you. It's a technical thing. I cannot tell you over here. Are you getting my point? You can
Yes,
ask
sir. I
me.
got.
You can ask me regarding English. You can ask me regarding communication skill. You can ask me regarding grammar. I'm here to answer you.
Yes,
Do you have
yes.
any question
Sir,
regarding?
yes, sir. Sir, to be
Uh,
honest, my vocabulary is very weak as well
mm,
as my pronunciation also weak. So, sir,
uh.
how to improve?
Well, what should I say? In order to enhance the pronunciation, you need a practice, record your video and practice on various type of pronunciation. What I believe is that, what do you think about my pronunciation? Do you like my pronunciation? My pronunciation
Yeah,
is good.
sir, I like your pronunciations. That's why I watch your each and every video.
Well, what I believe is that if you are pronunciation something, then use your entire mouth. When you are using your entire mouth clearly, then what I believe that you can pronounce very easily. And there are some certain method and some certain ways that you record your video or work record your video. And what should I say, that practice upon your pronunciation using certain application, then you can enhance your pronunciation. Secondly, that you are telling me about enhancing your vocabulary, then in order to enhance your vocabulary, you need to read. Do you read? Do
Yes,
you?
sir. I read vocabulary. Okay, but after some minute, some hours, then forget.
Pardon, I didn't get. Tell me one more time.
So I am saying that I remembered vocabulary. Okay, so after some minute, I forget. But some vocabulary I have recorded in my mind. But during conversation, I didn't able to add.
You do not, or you cannot able to use that vocabulary while speaking,
Yeah.
isn't it? Okay. In order to remember vocabulary, what do you do? What book do you read? Vocabulary book do you read?
Yeah, sometime vocabulary and sometime I read like a children's book because
Okay.
I like stories book.
Okay. Look, don't try to remember vocabulary by vocabulary book, vocabulary text. Leave it. Don't use vocabulary book in order to remember vocabulary. Second, use children story book. And if you find that the vocabulary, the word is new for you, write down on your notebook, and in front of that word, you write down the synonyms, antonyms, and make some sentences using that particular word. Okay, if you will do so and turn that page and stick on a wall somewhere, So whenever you move from your room here and there, and whenever you go around your room, you can see that word, and through this way you can remember for a long time. This is what I do. This is my technique. I do the same thing. If I find a new vocabulary, I write down on a paper. I turn that paper and stick on a wall or stick on a cupboard. And whenever I move from inside to outside or outside to inside, I see that vocabulary. Through this technique, I can remember a vocabulary for a long time.
Yeah, yeah, sir. You mentioned very nice because sir, I used to when I was student.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever uh, I didn't get anything, so
Mm,
I write on the paper. After that, I stick the wall, and
mm,
whenever I move here and where, so I watched, and I started remember. Yeah, so I got remember very easily.
I see. Yeah, obviously, it is very easy method. It is very easy and proven method that you can, through this method, you can remember vocabulary for a long time.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you are right. Sir, my second problem is I can conversation for long time, like randomly conversation. But
Mm,
whenever I want to do conversation with any topic, so that time
mm,
I am not able to explain very well.
mhm. Well,
Yeah, it is
because of
my
you,
problem.
well, if you really wanted to debate on a certain topic, then you research on a particular topic, and then jump into the a conversation or a debate. If you do not have the idea about a topic, then obviously you won't be able to give your ideas, express your thoughts on a particular topic. Are you getting my
Yeah.
point? For
Yes, sir.
example, I'm giving you a topic to debate on, debate with me on a cricket. And if you don't know anything about cricket, a test match, a one day, or a T20, then you tell me, then how could you be able to debate with me? How could you be able to, give me the proper answer? Never. It is impossible because you have no idea. So research on a particular topic first of all, and then jump into the topic, then debate it. Yeah, that's
Yes, sir.
true. That's, isn't it?
Yeah,
We
sir.
are human, we don't know
Right.
each and everything. We are human, we don't know. Even I'm telling you, even I don't know everything. I know some certain thing, but what if I don't know something? How can I debate with anybody? Huh?
Yes, sir. You are right. You are right,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah. Sir,
Yeah.
I watched your video
uh,
related very old when you started your YouTube channel. So that time
mm,
you drive auto.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So sir, you were auto driver. So sir,
mm,
how did you learn this language? Because I saw many educated person
mm.
who have uh, very well degree, very well education, but they are not able to speak English fluently way, and
Mm.
yeah, well way. So sir,
Well,
how to
I'll tell you. Well, this is not their problem. The problem is what happened here in our school and college system, that, English is taught as a subjective language, not in a practical language. When they study their subject in English language, they get only their knowledge in English language, but they do not get chance, or they, even though they don't create a chance themselves to speak in English. They don't create environment. So that's because of that they are not able to speak English speaking is all about creating an environment. Create environment, work hard, practice, research little bit, listen, speak, explore. That's it, you will get the result. English is all about speaking. The more you speak, the more you learn. And if you really want to go deep into it, then research it. Don't just simply listen and speak. Research it also. Read also. If you really want to use the, that ornament words, good vocabulary, then you need to read as well. Only listening and speaking won't work. That works, but if you really want to be a master, then read, research, work upon it, debate, take a part in a debate.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
This is what I
So
believe, madam.
writing is also a role of uh, learning, like is role of English journey writing.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Say properly. Say properly. Sahi se boliye. Say properly. Come on.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, because I got I got
No,
hesitation
no. I'm your brother,
in front
madam.
of you.
Consider me your brother. I'm your brother. You are my sister here. Come on. What's the problem? Come on. Consider
So
me
sir,
brother. I'm your brother here.
I watch your video and
Yeah.
your English is very well, and
Oh, come on.
you connect, sir. You connect very big YouTubers. So that's why
Mm.
I am feeling nervous.
No, no, no. Why are you feeling nervous? You are. I'm not taking your interview. Come on. We are just having a normal conversation. That's it. Just raise the question again.
I am saying that writing is also important.
So ये this is a question. So जब आप question raise करते हो ना, is writing also important? देखो सामने क्या आएगा? हाँ, हम
Yeah,
उसको आगे कर देंगे. is को हम आगे कर देंगे. Helping verb को. Is writing also helpful in order
writing.
to enhance English? Yes, absolutely. Writing also helpful. Writing also helpful. Writing makes you remember long time. It gives you idea. So writing is important. Writing is important, madam. Everything is important. Look, if you're really passionate, then everything is important. Reading, writing, listening, speaking, researching, everything comes under. If you are really a determined student, if you are really a firm and determined student, then everything will help you.
Yes, sir, you're right. My husband is my husband uh, told me
Mm,
you you write daily 1 2 page, but
mm,
I denied his, and I am not doing writing, so that's why
mm.
I am asking you.
No, no, I'll tell you in my point of view, no need to write. You read only, just focus on reading only. Focus on reading, researching, and when you find a new word, write down on your paper. That's it. Do this thing and watch the video. But learning in English, it's a monotonous and long process. Don't think that you will get the result within 1 2 3 months. No, it will take minimum 5 to 6 7 8 months maybe. So stick on a plan, work every day, spend 1 hour every day. you know Definitely you will get the result, madam Kushum.
Okay.
Then then madam Kusum, I think I gotta go now. Someone is waiting for me. May God bless you. Take care of
Okay,
your health.
okay.
Take care of your son. And this conversation is recorded. Our conversation is recorded. You allow me to post on a YouTube so people could learn something from us.
Yes, yes, sir, of course. But I know I did lack of mistake during
Oh.
conversation, sir, because it is my hesitation.
Mm-hmm.
I am doing practice
Mm-hmm.
since 6 7 months,
Okay.
but I I am comfortable, but I don't know what happened with you today. Because already something is going on in my mind, like you are
Mhm.
a very famous YouTuber, your English is well, so that's why I got a hesitation.
As I told you, we are brother and sister who I do no need to hesitate from with me. No problem. Okay. Then, madam, take care, take care, take care of your health. Take care. See you next time. Take care. Bye. Okay.
Yes, sir. I hope you will get chance.
Absolutely, I'll give
Thank
you
you
a
so
chance
much.
once again. Absolutely,
Connect
absolutely,
in future. Yeah.
absolutely. Okay, take care. Bye, bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Okay, sir.